like to talk to you about why you would choose Norgren's Electric Bike Repair Stand over the competition. So the first reason is the weight capacity, the load capacity. Most competitors' products can get up to about 140 pounds. Ours can get up to 187 pounds. Why is this important? You have bikes that are getting heavier, yes, but you also have some bikes, such as cargo bikes, tandem bikes, trikes, that you need that not only the extra weight, but the extra clearance. And what you can see here is an option where we have a fork tine to help be able to handle the larger bikes. You can also see, as I demonstrate here, if I step onto these fork tines and I were to lift it, this has no problem bringing it up. So the 187 pound weight capacity is an advantage of this bike stand over competitive bike stands. The second reason I'd like to talk about that you would choose Norgren for your electric bike repair stand is the design of the lift itself. If you look at this, there's a few advantages. This is an electric screw-driven actuator. Competitive products are often hydraulic, or they're counterweight, or they are chain-based. There are numerous disadvantages to those other designs. They require more maintenance. They don't last as long. For example, a chain-type design, you need to be lubricating and servicing once a week. With this product, you would lubricate it once a year, and you would get over 20 years of life out of it. Also, you can see here there is a cover strip where you cannot accidentally get hair, fingers, debris, anything like that that would get into the workings of the actuator itself. Competitive product is usually exposed, and you don't have that protective design to prevent things from getting into your machine and causing performance or longevity issues. And the third reason why you would choose Norgren for your electric bike repair stand is this is our bread and butter. This is our core business. Norgren is a world leader for decades in industrial automation, specifically linear motion control, like what you see here. If we're doing it in factories, if we're doing it on machines, it's good enough to lift your bikes as well. For more information, go to norgrenbikestand.com.